Alright guys, welcome to another episode. Today I am exploring a new creek, a lesser known, way out in the middle of nowhere near a town, in hopes of catching some smallmouth. It is the 4th of July weekend, 3-day weekend, so I'm trying to avoid the crowd. There was a big family up there swimming at the bridge, so I'm getting away from them for right now. It looks like some pretty decent holes up here. I don't know if this creek is going to be deep enough though, that's the thing. Or if it even has smallmouth, but all we can do is hope. If I don't get nothing at this access, I'm going to go down a ways where the creek gets a little bigger and see if they're down there as opposed to up here. But we're going to give this a chance for a good hour or so. I do not see any smallmouth as of yet, but that don't mean there isn't any yet. I literally just got here. That's a striped shiner there. We got, boy, this water is clear as can be. Hogsucker, long ear, and what? There was one tiny smallmouth in this hole. Right there, guys. Wow. Crystal clear river. Look at that bluff. That thing is 40 foot tall. Okay, just seen a smallmouth, guys. They are in this hole. They're smart in here though. This water is so clear. That was definitely a smallmouth though. Oh, I got it. No, I don't. Yeah, I do. Little baby. Cool. Alright guys, we have went down the creek a good 3 or 4 miles and it still just seems too small. All the holes are really shallow. It's like finding a deep hole just ain't gonna work. Oh, I got something. All right. Hey guys, it's a smallmouth. Holy hell. Hey, It's not a failure. It is not a failure. He's a small guy, but it is a smallmouth. On the husky jerk. I'm gonna have to get pliers out to get this guy. Well, I'll be damned. He's a small little 8-incher, but it is a smallmouth, so they are here. Well, I'll be damned. Oh, he's got it, he's got it. Oh, he let go. Oh, he's still on there. Letting him swallow it a little bit more. And got him. Looks like a short nose. That's a nice one for a short nose. That's big. Yes, he is. Man, that's a big old short nose. Probably mid-20s. Oh my. Wow. Takes a lot of walking. I want to get him. I'm going to get him. Oh, he hit it. Got him. Yes. And there's two more following him. Oh, there we go. We are on the smallmouth, guys. Finally, after spot number 3, technically, because the first one was no trespassing. He's not bad. He's 13 inches, guys. Big enough for me to stay. All right. Hell yeah. And there was another one following. Sure was. Actually, I think there was 2 fish following. That's not a bad smallmouth, guys. He's 13. I'll take it. It wasn't a failure now. I ain't got no 5-pounder yet, which I heard came out of here, but hey, it's getting more believable as time goes on. Heck yeah, nice smallmouth. I'll take him. We just went far enough just downstream that we found them. My first access was too small. It's too far up the headwaters. Just a little too far. What a beauty. Man. There he is. Oh, this is the bigger one. Oh man, they're over in that shade big time. Oh yeah, he's 14. Maybe not 14. Easily 13 and a half though. Oh, he's in a stick. Oh man. I was about to go out and get it too. Not bad. Yes, he is. He's bigger than the first one by a little bit. A lot beefier. Oh, hell yeah. Guys, the hard work of driving around countless gravel county roads 10 miles at a time just to have to turn around paid off. Oh, man. I ain't got a tape measure, but they love it. Now that is a nice smallmouth, and that's what I came for. I ain't gonna complain if this is as big as they get, because that's nice enough to me. They're keepers. Heck yes. Pulled two nice ones from. Yes, I had redemption on one more. Sweet. Oh, he's another 13-incher too. My gosh. Yes. Oh, he's 13. Beautiful smallmouth. What a nice surprise to get one more on the way back to the car. Yes, indeed. That's awesome. I was able to produce one more before going to the next spot. Heck yes. All three of the ones I caught out of this creek are not bad. I caught four. I caught one at the first access, but he was 7 inches. But every smallmouth I caught down here was 13. Right at the same size. Not huge by anybody's standards, but not tiny. They're, right at a keeper size. Heck yeah. That is not a bad smallmouth for the little Missouri stream. Yeah, nice little smallmouth. guys, spot number 3, and honestly, it looks pretty damn good. Already seen a smallmouth right in front of me, in fact. Sure do. 2 of them and a red horse. Oh, I got hit, but he was too small to get hooked. Smallmouth. Not bad. Probably 11. Oh yeah. Well, that's a cool bridge pillar up there, guys. And a bluff. Rope swing. Obviously this is a little popular swimming spot around here. Well, we got smallmouth at every spot we went to today. All 3 accesses. Granted, the first one was a little 7-incher at the spot number 1, but we did get them. Not giant by any means, but it's a fish. Oh, spotted bass, or little largemouth. Oh, there's another one down there too. Yep, largemouth. Which means you can tell we're 3 miles downriver from where we was, but it's that big of a difference, guys. Them changes sometimes occur very quickly. And there's a big largemouth sitting in front of me. I got the little one that darted out in the way. There's two nice ones in front of me that are worth hooking. Boy, there's a bunch of them in this little bitty hole. All right, guys, I am coming up to the hole that I'm hoping turns the day completely around. I'm not going to say the name of the creek, but this is the same name but with the word little in front of it. And then this is the main one. Where this creek comes in, it doubles the size of this river, plus it's a giant hole right here. So I'm hoping that there's stuff piled up where this tributary comes in. It's also looks pretty damn deep, at least 4 to 5 foot anyway, which for an upland Ozark stream is deep enough. Oh my, yeah, I'm gonna catch something here, guys. Oh, way deeper than I thought. I'm already seeing a buttload of fish too. A buttload. I already got hit twice. Oh my God, there's 4 fish following my lure at one time. Got him. I got the tiny one, of course. Yep, there's a lot of fish hiding here. Smallest smallmouth of the day, in fact. But you know what? They're faster. That's what it is. They're faster than them regular. Than the bigger fish. So they can dart out in front. That's smallmouth number 7, I do believe. Little bitty guy, about 9 inches. Got him. All right, we got another one. This one feels bigger. Yeah, he's 10 anyway. It's not big by any means. No, he might go 11. Oh, he fell off right at the damn bank. Dang.